Hello everyone, how are you all? I know this question isn't relevant in this COVID 19 situation as most of us aren't well. I pray for all of you so that you have the ability to deal with this situation. Keep yourself and your family healthy. Today, we'll talk about world's top 10 richest person. The list of the world's richest person can vary from year to year depending on their latest net worth and financial performance. Here is the latest list of the world's top 10 richest persons based on Forbes list and some interesting facts about each of them. Number 10. Sergey Brin. The co-founder and board member of Alphabet, Sergey Brin has a net worth of $61.7 billion, which ranks him in the 10th position among the world's richest persons. He co-founded Google along with Larry Page in 1998, which went public in 2004 and became Alphabet in 2015. Number 9. Larry Page. Larry Page, the co-founder of Google, has a net worth of $63.2 billion and ranks in the 9th position among the world's richest persons. He has also invested in Planetary Resources, the famed space exploration company, and is also funding Flying Car, startup companies Kitty Hawk and Opener. Number 8. Larry Ellison. Larry Ellison has a net worth of $65.4 billion, which he earned from Oracle, the software firm he co-founded in 1977. He quit as the CEO of the company in 2014, and since then he functions as the chairman of the board and chief technology advisor of the company. Number 7. Amancio Ortega. Noted as the richest person in Europe, Amancio Ortega is also the wealthiest clothing merchant in the world today. He co-founded Inditex, the firm that is popular for its Zara fashion chain. He owns 60% stake in Inditex that has 8 brands like Massimo Dutti and Pull and Bear and runs 7,500 stores around the world. His net worth is $65.9 billion. Number 6. Steve Ballmer. As the former CEO of Microsoft, Steve Ballmer led the firm from 2000 to 2014. His able leadership during a very tough time steered Microsoft towards sustainability and progress. His net worth is $66.2 billion, and in 2018, he invested $59 million in Social Solutions, a company that makes software for government agencies and non-profit organizations. Number 5. Warren Buffett. Popularly known as the Oracle of Omaha, Warren Buffett is seen as one of the most successful investors of all times. He runs Berkshire Hathaway that owns over 60 companies, including the famous ones GEICO Insurance, Duracell, Dairy Queen Restaurant. His net worth is $70.4 billion US dollar. Number 4. Mark Zuckerberg, the co-founder, CEO, and the chairman of Facebook. Mark Zuckerberg champions the social network that has become a go-to communications avenue today. His net worth is $82.7 billion US dollar, and today he owns about 15% stake in Facebook after the firm went public in May 2012. Number 3. Bernard Arnault, LVMH. France chairman and CEO Bernard Arnault ranks the third in the world in terms of riches. His net worth today is $104.7 billion US dollar, ensues from his business across an empire of more than 70 brands, including Louis Vuitton and Sephora. Number 2. Bill Gates, the co-founder of Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. Bill Gates has a net worth of $107.8 billion US dollar. Having founded the software giant Microsoft along with Paul Allen, Bill Gates eventually sold away much of his stakes in the company, retaining just 1% of the shares and investing the rest in stocks and other assets. Here comes the number 1 position in our list. Jeff Bezos. Amazon founder and CEO Jeff Bezos has a net worth of $153.6 billion US dollar and ranks as the richest one on the earth today. His position remains the same even after divorcing his wife, Mackenzie, in 2019 and transferring a quarter of his stake in Amazon to her. Thank you so much for watching. And please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.